That's much better, right?
Oh yeah. Oh my God.
Nice. What's the moral of the story here?
Less heat.
Jesus! What? Couldn't even see that. I couldn't even see that.
You didn't see it?
Yeah, you're pushing too much on the gas. Also,
Pushing too much.
yeah. You
Oh,
have to
yeah.
let up a little. Don't floor it.
Yeah.
You're set to what? You're set to 80. Yeah, don't floor it.
All right. Yeah, I don't think I was flooring it quite.
Yeah, but yeah, too hot. But good thing you actually remembered to turn the gas on this time.